Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Dimakatso Dichechene. I'm the founder of Frano Chilli sauces, and our business started in 2019, and we are operating from Belcom, Tabo. The reason for launching this business, it was due to the pandemic that we are facing in 2019. Firstly, it's when one of my family member who was diagnosed with COVID, then at the back of our home, we have a backyard garden where we have chilies there, and as well as tomatoes and garlic. So we see this opportunity to start this business because the benefits that we have get since my husband was ill due to COVID-19, I started to give him the chilies, and I have seen that it works really good for him in terms of the symptoms of cold and flu that was caused by COVID-19. The product that we are offering is different types of chili sauces. We have the extra one, we have the medium one, and the normal one, as well as sweet chili, chili mayos, and green chilies. Product yaka e fapana le tse ding hobane di ingredients tse ke di sebedisa mo producteng yaka ke di ingredients tse ke ding ka mo jareteng mo ke phelang teng, because ke iketseditse backyard farming ka hara jarete yaka. So ebile ka hara product tsa ka ha ke sebedise metsi ho kopanya ntho tsa ka, ke sebedisa only those organic tse ke di jetseng mo jareteng yaka. Ba batlang ho tseba holanyane ka nna, dinomoro tsa ka tsa mohala tse ke tholalang ho tsona ke 072 927 1557, and o ka kgona hape ho nthola ho tsona for WhatsApp. Then my Facebook page ke Señorita. Hi, my name is Dimakatso Dichechene, and I'm a township entrepreneur.